Welcome back to Uncle Keith's Paint Shop. What's all this about? Okay, so as you can see, it's got its bumper off, but this is an Audi S1. Pretty tasty, actually. These are pretty quick. This one, as you can see, is black, but it's having a liquid wrap. Now, we're not going to tell you what the colour is. You're going to see that as we go through the video. But yeah, liquid wrap on this one. I think Keith's excited. Are you ready? Are you ready for this project? Ready. You ready? You're born ready.
Yeah, born ready.
Yeah, good. I think it's going to be a good one. So let's let Keith crack on, and then we will join him when he's doing a bit of shh. Okay, so we're in the oven, and as you can see, it's had its ground coat, or the matte black plastic coat, the original first coat that we put on before we add any colour, and it looks pretty good, to be fair. Even just like that, I'd be happy. But as you can see, it's all uniform, one colour, ready to rock and roll. And now the magic happens. So yeah, it's looking lovely. I think I'll be quite happy with it in that colour. At some point, I'm going to have a matte coloured car. But yeah, time to move on to the next stage. Let's find Uncle Keith and put some nice stuff on it. Oh yeah. So this is what's going on after the black base coat. That looks lovely. Phaser out again. No. Get rid of any dust. I love that gun. You playing duck hunt? Yeah. Okay, so on with a bit of intermediate coat. It's loaded, it's locked and loaded. Here we go.
Can't see anything. Right, because they're red, we've got to try and warp the side so we keep it uniform all the way down the side, because if we overlap and stop here and then stop there, we're doubling up.
Got ya.
So we've got to try and put the same, I've got to try and warp the side, but do it evenly, do it uniform, evenly. It's maybe a bit tricky, but let's have a go.
Let's have a go. how easy you made that look. I can start to see.
Still have the same content in all the way down.
I can start to see something in it. I love it. I love working here. Reload. It's having a reload. Beauty. Well, that keeps giving it its final little wipe round. You've always got to have a little wipe off at the end.
You bring it out and it just, the dust just...
What we are doing is we're waiting for the Nuneaton sunshine to come through that cloud, and it doesn't appear to be doing so.
We just want to see it, don't we?
We want to see the sunlight hit it so that you guys at home can really appreciate what's got into this car.
Why it looks nice, it's just completely black at the minute, ain't it?
Yeah, I mean, right now it looks like an absolutely gorgeous black Audi S1.
Yeah.
But what we're missing is the bit of magic that can only be seen when the sun hits it.
Mate, in that cloud there might be, oh, I don't know, I think I was going to miss that.
We could just stand here for the next hour.
Just bear with us.
Bear with us. Let's see if we can get the sun on it.
It'll be
The sun's just coming out and I've blinded myself by it. I can see it reflect. I can just see it in the car. So let's see if I can show you. Oh yeah, it's starting to happen. It's starting to happen.
If you're going to get it, that's it.
Oh, no,
This is it, ain't it? If we're going to get it now, there you go, it's coming. There she goes.
That's it, the brightest.
It's not quite far from behind it yet.
I wonder whether you can see that, guys.
You can see it here in the fucking
See if I
side
can
bit,
zoom
sure.
in. Can you see the red and the green flakes in it?
Also, it's not like midday sun either, is it?
No.
Because it's higher up.
Mad Dog's an Englishman.
That's a video of that. I think it'll be alright. When that sun comes from behind that fucking cloud, I think it'll be alright.
Can't swear on YouTube, mate.
Just gone again. Just literally almost out, but not quite out.
Oh, there we go. Like magic, that is. It's like Gandalf's pocket. All glittery and sparkly.
Oh yeah, I see it now. Matches really well with the number plate.
It does, don't it?
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
It's like the same colours on the plate.
Yeah.
Well, there's another one. What more do you want but some beautiful sparkles in the paint. It's absolutely gorgeous. Well, there you go. The sun's hitting it. And this is the end of another Uncle Keith's paint shop video. And as you can see, if my shadow wasn't on the car, that is extremely sparkly, glittery and lovely. You can just see the red and green in it. The sun's hitting it. It's absolutely beautiful. I hope the camera can pick that up. I really do hope the camera can pick that up because it is phenomenal.
Oh, that bump's coming there. You see, like on that corner of that bumper off.